Tibet belongs to
Tibetan.
Tibet belongs to
Tibetan.
Tibet belongs to
Tibetan.
Shame on
China. Shame on
China.
Shame on
China.
China, China, China.
Out, out, out.
China, China, China.
Out, out, out.
China, China, China.
Out, out, out.
Stop the killing
In Tibet.
Stop the murders
In Tibet.
Human rights
In Tibet.
Religious freedom
In Tibet.
Religious freedom
In Tibet.
China, China, China.
Out, out, out.
China, China, China.
Out, out, out.
Hi, my name is Pema Yoko. I'm from Students for a Free Tibet. I'm also a Tibetan living in London, and today is the 15th of October. I am here with the Tibetan community here to protest against China's brutal regime. The crackdowns inside Tibet are so harsh that Tibetans, young Tibetans, monks, non-monks, feel they have to self-immolate to send a strong message that Tibet is suffering. Tibetans are suffering, that they can no longer bear the oppression of the Chinese people, and that is why Tibetans in London have come out in large forces to send a strong message to the Chinese government. Just today we heard another boy, Nobun Damdul, self-immolated early this morning inside Tibet. He's 19 years old. He's still alive, we hope, but his whereabouts are unknown. The Chinese police put out the fire. They beat him and dragged him away where we do not know.
Stop the genocide. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Stop the killing. Stop the crackdown. Stop the crackdown. Religious freedom. Religious freedom. Long live. Long live. Long live. Stop the torture. Stop the genocide. Stop the genocide. Stop the killing.
Terada masole mukochige yongga jimsando chizirezina ane ponnala nirchije nitek nyoran merotana tieni seshomada chik dene niso maso ola teran karsan jami nande chin karsu ko mamata so satola jan demporchi ane koronso chik timotia na tebjongro chin chika obato so sara bakkadawro uda otela ta jangdarchi mamata so kilometer chika lam kala sara jagna teni jondar ja mamera nam ro gotta sayara ukata so ta teni chika ndi na da haliya zata kan tsinde de chika jila chika de yongo duna ti jimsana shini ngati ra ngogo chika ma yins
China, China, China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Enough is enough.
Stop the crackdown.
Enough is enough.
Stop the crackdown.
Enough is enough. Long live. Long live. Long live. Stop the killings. Stop the killings. Stop the killings. Stop the torture. Stop the torture. Stop the torture. Shame on. Shame on. Shame on. Shame on. China lie.
People die.
China lie.
People die.
China lie.
People die.
Enough is enough.
Stop the crackdown.
Enough is enough.
Stop the crackdown.
Enough is enough.
Stop the crackdown.
Stop the killings.
In Tibet.
Stop the killings.
In Tibet.
Stop the killings.
In Tibet.
Stop the torture.
In Tibet.
Stop the torture.
In Tibet.
Stop the torture.
In Tibet.
Shame on.
China.
Shame on.
China.
Shame on.
China.
Shame on.
China.
Long live.
Dalai Lama.
Long live.
Dalai Lama.
Long live.
Dalai Lama.
Stop the killings.
In Tibet.
Stop the killings.
In Tibet.
Stop the killings.
In Tibet.
My name is Shao Jiang. I'm political exile in London because I joined the 1989 student movement. After that, I was put into jail. I support the Tibetan people because I think if you look, the Communist Party came into power, they systematically torture people and try to crack down the different civil rights. So the Tibetan people also this is suffering for 62 years. So I am Chinese. I think we suffer the same. So we need the solidarity together to fight our freedom together.
The Chinese government make me sick. They lie, they steal, they cheat, they put brutal crackdown on our people. The crackdown in Tibet is so brutal that our own Tibetan monks have to feel like they have to self-immolate. They have to give up their life for the whole nation, for Tibet, to send out a strong message. So if they're sending a strong message out to the world, we Tibetans in the free land, in the free country, must stand up with them, and we must support global intervention now. Enough is enough. Tibetans need support. I therefore pledge to you as supporters, as Tibetans, to please visit this website www.standupfortibet.org and sign the pledge. We need 25,000 signatures before the 2nd of November when world leaders meet at the G20. Thank you.